The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 38. Mahāmati Bodhisattva then addressed the Buddha. As for entering Nirvana, Bhagavan, what is meant by Nirvana? The Buddha replied, witnessing the transformation of the habit energy of self-existence, of the repository consciousness, the will, and conceptual consciousness, this is what is meant by Nirvana. The Nirvana of other Buddhas and myself is the realm that is empty of self-existence. Moreover, Mahāmati, Nirvana is the realm of the personal realization of Buddha knowledge. It is free from the existence or non-existence of projections of permanence or impermanence. And why is it not permanent? Because projections of individual or shared characteristics are impermanent. Therefore, it is not permanent. And why is it not permanent, not impermanent? Because it is the personal realization attained by all sages of the past, the present, and the future. Therefore, it is not impermanent. Mahāmati, Nirvana is not annihilation or death. If Nirvana were death, there would be the continuity of something reborn. And if Nirvana were annihilation, it could be characterized as something created. Therefore, Nirvana is free from annihilation and free from death. This is why it is the refuge of practitioners. Moreover, Mahāmati, Nirvana isn't lost, and it isn't found. It isn't impermanent, and it isn't permanent. It doesn't have one meaning, and it doesn't have multiple meanings. This is what is meant by Nirvana. Furthermore, Mahāmati, the Nirvana of Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas consists in an awareness of individual and shared characteristics, in avoiding contact, in an end to delusions, and in not giving rise to projections. This is their idea of Nirvana.